Hey guys, Rico here again, and today we're going to look at how to sail cards, which is a technique which you would usually use if you're playing poker. You don't have to deal the cards out to each player like this, you throw them to each player with a perfect throw. Right guys, so we're going to look at how to sail cards. And sailing cards is basically this. Just throwing cards around. Why is this so special, you might ask? Well, because you can aim pretty well to where you want the cards to go. Which in our case is a very nice and important thing, because if we're playing poker, for example, we wouldn't deal every card out to each person like this, especially if you have a big poker table. This is a lot of effort to go through. So we would prefer to throw each player the cards. So how do we do this? We push off the card with our left thumb from our mechanics grip, like we've gone over in the previous videos. We push it off, and our right hand, our first finger, takes the corner of the card. Then our middle finger is here behind the card with our thumb on top, and our middle finger it moves out, so it goes forward like this. You see? And as it goes forward, not slow like this, but in a faster motion, our thumb releases, so we get this. We throw the card, and it gets launched out of our thing. And by how fast and how much we move our middle finger depends how far and how fast the card goes. And we aim to practice that we throw it and it goes forward in a straight line. Now, of course, if you don't like to hold cards like this, but you usually deal them like this with your middle finger, you can also hold it with your middle finger. Do the same thing with your ring finger on the back and throw them like this. It's also an option. I'm more a fan of my middle finger, which I use more often. So this is something fun to practice. I recommend you just put like some things down, like you can put a card box down, you can put a coin down, you can put maybe a cup for the cups and balls down, and you can just try practicing throwing cards on or against these things. I realize it's a bit of a mess. One final thing. If you're practicing second deals, bottom deals, or whichever deal you like, sailing cards is a nice way to differentiate. So, usually practicing second deals would look, like this, like you're just sitting there practicing your second deal, but it might get a bit boring. In that case, you can just sit there, start sailing out the cards like this, and still keep doing your seconds in the same way. And it's a more fun, different experience for your mind. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.